MiUI 11. Let's talk about design first. In MiUI 11, we have taken a huge, big step forward in cleaning up many of the elements of the UI to ensure that the content and the features are the heroes. We've removed and eliminated and polished a whole lot of colors to give this entire look and make it look like a lot more organic, a lot more natural. And with all of these changes, MiUI is designed clearly to be the ultimate full screen experience, but that's not all. With the increasing popularity of dark mode, trust me, MiUI 11 looks even better on the dark side. The next aspect of MiUI that I want to talk about is that it's always on. With MiUI 11, we're taking that one step further. We are adding a nice, beautiful, animated, dynamic clock on your lock screen with MiUI 11. But that's not all. We said there's perhaps more that we can do. And for that, we dug deep into our childhood for inspiration. Remember these? The kaleidoscopes? We took exactly this for inspiration, and we put this wonderful, beautiful, symmetric patterns onto your lock screen, and it actually makes it blossom, and it looks beautiful. And with MiUI 11, you can add your own custom code, your motivational message, pretty much whatever you want, and add it to your lock screen. So with MiUI 11, we've made the entire screen breathe and come alive for notifications. Let's come to the wallpaper carousel. With MiUI 11, we have introduced dynamic video wallpapers. You can as documents. Is that it's very difficult to find the file that you want by typing the file name. It's super difficult, and we appreciate that. We understood it. So we said, if that's the feedback, we need to solve for it, and we did by having thumbnails of various files in the file manager, neatly categorized by file types. If you look at the tabs on the top, you have all PDF, Excel, PowerPoint, very, very neatly categorized and super easy to find, just as you would on your Windows or Mac laptops. On MiUI is that, hey, you guys don't make it easy for me to manage my task list. You guys don't make it easy for me to manage my to-do list, and hence I'm forced to use another third-party app. We took that feedback to heart. We have solved it. With MiUI 11, you have the ability to manage your tasks better with the tasks functionality integrated into the Notes app. You can now add various tasks. You can add a due date to them. It gets automatically synchronized with your calendar and makes your entire work life a lot more productive, and you're able to focus on the things that need to get done right now. But that's not all. There are various moments when you think of something that needs to get done and you don't have the time to open the keyboard and type and so on. Very simple. You just have to swipe right from the top. You have the universal entry into the to-do list. You have the entire to-do list appearing there. You add your tasks, you add your due dates, and boom, which is the calculator. And we've put in some additional effort into making it more easier to use. And let me talk about a very interesting use case. Let's say you've been traveling to some place, and typically what you do, you record all your expenses, maybe in a Word document, in a text document, in your Notes app, wherever it is. And at the end of the trip, you need to sum up exactly how much you have spent. That's a use case all of us have been through. Currently, when you toggle between the calculator and the Notes app to keep checking the values and typing it into the calculator, that's super painful. We've solved this by introducing a floating calculator which appears as a picture-in-picture on top of any app. You can calculate the number of days left for your next birthday, your EMIs, your body mass index, splitting the bill, 8 different functionalities, all built into our calculator. And all of these put together will make your work life a lot more productive, your daily life easier. The first one that we have introduced is the step tracker. By swiping right from the home screen in your app vault, that's the step tracker in MiUI 11. For our women users, we've added the ability to track your periods, to track your menstrual cycles. No more trying to remember when the next due dates are. Quick replies. And let's talk about a use case again. Let's say you're watching a video, right? And it's really an engaging video, and you receive an incoming call. Of course, the one question is whether you need to answer the call or not, but if it's from the boss, you better answer the call. And when you do take the call, you can take the call without exiting the video. Now, this could be a video, this could be a game, this could be anything that you're doing. You can continue watching that video while taking the call, which makes it really cool in terms of the MiUI quick replies feature. I'm playing a game or watching a video, I receive the notification, it opens a window, a small picture-in-picture with your messaging app. You can look at the message, you can respond to it, you can do. Mint keyboard is configured to automatically not just transliterate it, but also translate that into Hindi, and it says, "Bahut acha samachar, Papa." And the other one, with the Mint keyboard, we have built in the capability for real-time emoji suggestions that work not just with English, but also Hinglish. That's MiUI 11, where life gets easier. The dates. What is the rollout timetable? The MiUI 11 rollout will start pretty much now in 6 days, starting the 22nd of October with the super popular Poco F1, K20, and a few of the other models that we have launched recently. And there'll be a staggered rollout going all the way up till December,